Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of dinosaur eggs. Today, we uncover the secrets behind the largest dinosaur egg ever found and what it reveals about prehistoric life. Imagine a world ruled by colossal creatures, giants that shook the ground with every step. We delve into the remnants of their reign, not through bones this time, but through a different lens: their eggs. These fragile capsules offer a unique glimpse into the life cycles and adaptations of these magnificent creatures. Join me as we embark on a journey back in time to explore the marvels of the largest dinosaur egg ever discovered. Our journey begins in the Gobi Desert of Mongolia, a land sculpted by time and wind, where paleontologists stumbled upon a truly remarkable find: the Macroelongatoolithus egg. This enormous egg, shaped like an elongated football, measures over 2 feet in length and weighs an astonishing 13 pounds. Just picture, if you will, holding this massive egg in your arms, its weight a testament to the sheer scale of the creature that laid it. Dating back to the late Cretaceous period, roughly 70 million years ago, the Macroelongatoolithus egg hints at a world inhabited by creatures far larger than any we know today. While the exact species responsible for this enormous egg remains a mystery, scientists believe it belonged to a group of dinosaurs known as titanosaurs. These long-necked behemoths, among the largest animals to ever walk the earth, were known for their immense size, some reaching lengths of over 100 feet. The discovery of the Macroelongatoolithus egg raises a tantalizing question. If this egg represents the upper limit of size, or could there be even larger dinosaur eggs out there, hidden beneath layers of rock and time, waiting to be unearthed? The possibility is both exhilarating and humbling, a reminder of the vastness of the prehistoric world and the secrets it still holds. Dinosaur eggshells, despite their ancient origins, were marvels of biological engineering, each a testament to the power of evolution. These ancient structures have fascinated scientists for decades, revealing secrets about the lives of creatures that roamed the earth millions of years ago. Unlike the brittle shells of bird eggs, dinosaur eggshells possessed a unique structure that allowed them to withstand the pressures of a changing environment and the weight of the developing embryo within. This resilience was crucial for the survival of the species, ensuring that the next generation could thrive in a world full of dangers. One of the most striking features of dinosaur eggshells is their thickness. This thickness varied among species, with some eggshells being several millimeters thick, providing a robust barrier against external threats. Some species, particularly those that laid large eggs, had shells that could be several millimeters thick, providing exceptional protection from predators and the elements. This thickness was not just for protection, it also played a role in regulating the internal environment of the egg. But thickness was only part of the story. The composition and structure of the eggshells were equally important in ensuring the survival of the embryo. Dinosaur eggshells were also riddled with tiny pores, invisible to the naked eye, which facilitated gas exchange between the developing embryo and the outside world. These pores were crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of gases within the egg. This intricate network of pores allowed for the passage of oxygen into the egg and carbon dioxide out, ensuring the embryo could breathe and grow. Without this efficient system, the developing dinosaur would not have been able to survive. Adding to their resilience, dinosaur eggshells were composed of a fibrous structure that gave them remarkable strength. This fibrous composition was a key factor in the durability of the eggshells. This structure, similar to that found in modern-day bird eggs, helped to distribute weight evenly across the shell, preventing breakage. The similarities between dinosaur and bird eggshells provide fascinating insights into the evolutionary connections between these creatures. Furthermore, some scientists believe that dinosaur eggshells may have been adorned with colors and patterns, much like the eggs of modern birds. These patterns could have served various purposes, from camouflage to signaling. This camouflage would have been crucial for protecting the eggs from predators, blending them seamlessly into their surroundings. The study of dinosaur eggshells continues to reveal the incredible adaptations that these ancient creatures developed to ensure their survival. Chapter 3. The discovery of the Macroelongatoolithus egg begs the question, why aren't such massive eggs more common in the fossil record? This question opens up a fascinating exploration into the world of ancient life, and the myriad factors that influence the evolution and survival of these magnificent creatures? The answer, it seems, lies in a delicate balancing act between biological constraints and environmental pressures. These pressures were not just limited to the physical size of the eggs, but extended to the very conditions that allowed life to flourish or falter. One limiting factor is the availability of oxygen. Oxygen levels in the atmosphere have fluctuated dramatically over geological time, and during the age of the dinosaurs, they were significantly lower than they are today. Larger eggs require more oxygen to support the developing embryo, and during the time of the dinosaurs, oxygen levels were lower than they are today. This scarcity of oxygen would have made it difficult for larger eggs to sustain the necessary metabolic processes for the embryo's growth. This means that producing extremely large eggs would have been a significant challenge, pushing the limits of what was biologically possible. The eggshells themselves would need to be thicker to protect the embryo, but this would also limit the amount of oxygen that could diffuse through. Another constraint is hatchling survival. The journey from egg to independent juvenile is fraught with dangers, and the size of the egg plays a crucial role in this process. Larger eggs mean larger hatchlings, and while this might seem advantageous, it also presents its own set of problems. Larger hatchlings would be more visible to predators, and might struggle to find enough food to sustain their rapid growth. Larger hatchlings would have required more food and resources, putting a strain on the parents and the ecosystem as a whole. The parents would need to expend more energy to protect and feed their young, which could reduce their own survival and future reproductive success. Incubation time also plays a crucial role. The larger the egg, the longer it takes to incubate, and this extended period leaves the eggs vulnerable to various threats. Larger eggs take longer to incubate, leaving them vulnerable to predators and environmental hazards for extended periods. Predators could easily locate and destroy these large, nutrient-rich targets, and environmental changes could disrupt the delicate conditions needed for successful hatching. This extended incubation period could have limited the reproductive success of species that laid extremely large eggs. The longer the eggs remained in the nest, the higher the risk of predation or environmental disruption, reducing the chances of the embryos reaching maturity. The rarity of large dinosaur eggs suggests that there was an optimal egg size, a sweet spot that balanced the needs of the developing embryo with the constraints of the environment. This optimal size would have maximized the chances of survival for both the embryo and the parents. The Macroelongatoolithus egg, while an outlier, stands as a testament to the incredible diversity of life that once thrived on our planet. It highlights the complex interplay of biological and environmental factors that shaped the evolution of these ancient giants, offering us a glimpse into a world that was both familiar and profoundly different from our own. Chapter 4. Fossilized dinosaur eggs like the Macroelongatoolithus are more than just remnants of a bygone era. They are time capsules, offering invaluable insights into the lives of these ancient creatures. These eggs, preserved for millions of years, hold within them the secrets of a world long gone, a world where dinosaurs roamed the earth, dominating the landscape and shaping the ecosystems of their time. By studying these eggs, scientists can piece together clues about dinosaur behavior, growth rates, and even the climate conditions that existed millions of years ago. Each egg is a puzzle piece contributing to a larger picture of the past. The meticulous work of paleontologists, carefully excavating and analyzing these eggs, allows us to reconstruct the lives of these fascinating creatures with remarkable detail. The arrangement of eggs within a nest can reveal a great deal about parental care. For instance, the positioning of the eggs can indicate whether the parents were attentive, turning the eggs to ensure even incubation, much like some bird species do today. This behavior suggests a level of sophistication and care that we often associate with modern animals, bridging the gap between the ancient past and the present. Some dinosaur species, like their modern-day bird relatives, arrange their eggs in carefully constructed nests, suggesting a high level of parental investment. This nesting behavior not only highlights the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and birds, but also provides a glimpse into the social structures and family dynamics of these ancient creatures. The size and shape of eggs can also provide clues about the growth rates of dinosaurs. Larger eggs might indicate species that grew quickly and reached maturity faster, while smaller eggs could belong to species with slower growth rates. This information helps scientists understand the life cycles and developmental stages of different dinosaur species. By comparing the size of eggs to the size of adult skeletons, scientists can estimate how quickly these animals grew and how long it took them to reach their full size. This comparison also sheds light on the survival strategies of different species, revealing how they adapted to their environments and competed for resources. Furthermore, the chemical composition of fossilized eggshells can provide insights into the climate conditions that existed during the time of the dinosaurs. The elements and minerals found in the eggshells can tell us about the diet of the mother and the environmental conditions she lived in, offering a window into the ancient ecosystems. By analyzing the isotopes present in the eggshells, scientists can determine the temperature and humidity levels of the environment in which the eggs were laid. This data helps reconstruct the climate of the Mesozoic era, providing context for how dinosaurs and other prehistoric life forms adapted to their surroundings. These fossilized eggs, silent witnesses to a lost world, continue to whisper their secrets to us, revealing the intricate tapestry of life that once flourished on our planet. Each discovery adds a new thread to this tapestry, enriching our understanding of the diversity and complexity of life during the age of dinosaurs. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding these magnificent creatures and their place in the grand scheme of life on Earth. As we uncover more about their lives, behaviors, and environments, we not only learn about the past but also gain insights that can inform our understanding of the present and future of our own planet. Outro, thanks for joining us on this journey through the secrets of dinosaur eggs. From the colossal Macroelongatoolithus to the intricate structure of their shells, these ancient remnants offer a captivating glimpse into a world ruled by giants. As we've discovered, these eggs are not merely curiosities, they are keys to unlocking the mysteries of dinosaur behavior, evolution, and the prehistoric world they inhabited. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding these magnificent creatures and their place in the grand tapestry of life on Earth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the prehistoric world.